Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the 11 new effects in Elements. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. In the previous episode, I show you the 12 new effects in text, and in this episode, I will show you the 11 new effects in the elements. So let's get started. So I opened a brand new project again. Already at the background, already inserted one element. So now we can start to figure out the new effects in a Canva. So I just click on the element, go into the effects, and here below the effects we have this advanced, and here we have 11 new pre-designed preset effects. The first one is the Radioactive, as you can see, with a green background and with a green outline, and we can change the intensity. And of course, if you would like to change, we can change the color of the element also. So that's a pretty nice preset element, and we can change it as we wish. So I just duplicate it, jumping to the next one, and here you can see actually this is used the glow with this green outline. So this is basically the same as the new text effects, which most of them are not really new, just actually a preset of the already existing effect. So here is the new, this is the retro, and here also we can play with a direction and also with the offset. And of course, we can change the element color plus also the stroke color. And the next one is the midnight. Here only we can change the intensity. Actually, this is really same as the Radioactive, just a bit different color set. And if you go into here, how can I show it's midnight, not the glow, but actually it's supposed to be the same. This is with this Malibu. It's also like a glow effect with this color. Actually, this is actually a gradient one, so we can change also to different gradient or even solid color, but in this case we are not that beautiful. So the next one is supposed to be the, and here we go into the, like you can see, this is a glow with this background color. So that was the Malibu. So this is a chroma where we can also set the offset first, and we can add the direction. And as you can see, it's already kind of glitch effect. And actually this is a glitch effect with two different colors. So if I just duplicate again, effects, next one is the digital. Actually, this is also same as the chroma, just as you can see, the transparency of the different elements are different. So as I mentioned already, this is mostly the already existing effects, but with small presets. same as in the new text effects. Now going to the aura, where you can change the intensity only. And jumping to the next one, which is a VHS, sorry. But you can also change the intensity, and you can see this is also just a glow effect technically. And next one is a sunset, which actually, again, is similar, but we already have the perfect color for a nice sunset element. And this one is the metallic. It is also actually the same, but you already see that there is a nice gold plate with a gold glow effect. And here is the last one, is the laser, where we also have the actually that was same as a digital, like you can see 3 different layers, and also the transparency is also changed. As you can see, we can change the direction, but in a digital, I think, no, in a digital was exactly the same. Yeah, this chroma was a bit different, where the offset was different direction for the two elements, so the 2 background elements. We can increase the offset, change the direction. So here we have the 11 new preset effects in the elements. So now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And second, if you have any question or struggling anything in the Canva, just let me know and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description, where you can find the links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in a TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.